Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's another Wildcard Wednesday and I'm pretty excited because today I'm going to be making Dalgona coffee, which is a famous Korean coffee drink and everyone has been posting about it and it looks delicious. So I'm really excited to give it a try. Let's do this. So we're gonna start by taking 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of boiling water. And we're gonna mix it all together. And then we're gonna whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk. Usually you would use a hand mixer or a KitchenAid, but I like to challenge myself, so I'm gonna do it by hand. Hopefully it will work out. So you want to just keep mixing until it's super frothy. You're gonna give yourself an arm workout. Whew. Whew. Let's take a little break. Okay. All right. It's starting to take shape. It lives! Hold on, little sloth friend. Try various techniques. You've got the double-handed mixer, and you've got the one-handed mixer, and I'm terrible at coming up with original names. Still going. So close. Okay. Tip for next time. Definitely using the hand mixer. But that said, I feel like we've got a pretty good consistency. It's a little runny, but you know what? I'm gonna go with it because it smells delicious and it looks delicious and I'm excited to taste it. Get a little bit of a breather. Okay, do I look more muscular? Yeah. All right, so next step is to get our glass of milk over ice and pour this on top. So let's do it. Okay, so we've got our milk with our ice in our beautiful little glass, and you can use whatever milk you like best. Personally, I like whole milk. I think it's creamy and delicious. So we're gonna give this one final whip because we haven't whipped it quite enough yet. We're gonna throw in one more little whip there. All right, let's see how coordinated I am. Whoop, okay, a little nervous. Ooh. I think it's coffee drinker's choice of how much Dalgona whip you put on here, but I like my coffee, so I'm gonna put a lot. Yep. I think that's pretty good. It's time for my favorite part, which is the taste testing. This actually looks pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself, I gotta be honest. All right, let's give this a go. Gonna have a mouthful of Dalgona coffee. Okay. Whoa, that is really good. I need to get to some of the milk. Hold on. It may take me a couple tries. Hold on. Oh, that is so good. I'm sure that I have a little brown mustache, which I do, but that is okay because it is delicious and worth the brown mustache. I would highly recommend this to anyone who wants to give Dalgona coffee a try. It is delicious and it's relatively simple to make, so I say just go for it. Have confidence in your whipping and enjoy this delicious Dalgona coffee. So, so, so good. 2 thumbs up for Dalgona coffee. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. I'm gonna be enjoying this for the next however long it takes before I get to the bottom of this glass. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you've ever made Dalgona coffee yourself, definitely leave a comment below and tell me all about your stories because I would love to read them. Until next time, remember, always be playful.